बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम टू एस्पायरेंट स्टडी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम बायोलॉजी क्लास 9th के चैप्टर 2 करेंगे, सॉल्विंग ए बायोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम। फर्स्ट चैप्टर में इंट्रोडक्शन टू बायोलॉजी था, जिसमें हमने 5 पार्ट किए थे। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, इसमें हम 50 टोटल एमसीक्यूज करेंगे। द साइंटिफिक मेथड इन विच बायोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स आर सोल्व्ड इज टर्म्ड एज बायोलॉजिकल मेथड। For solving a biological problem, biologists take 6 steps. The first step of solving a biological problem is recognition of biological problem. Observations are made by 5 senses. There are 2 types of observation. A man has 5 letters blade. This observation is quantitative. A man's blade color is dark red. This qualitative. The men from Africa are taller than that of China. This observation qualitative. 7% people died from COVID-19. It is a quantitative observation. The normal heartbeat of human is 72 per minute. This observation is quantitative. Quantitative observations are more accurate than qualitative one because it can be recorded in numbers. Color, texture, smell, taste, etc. are qualitative. Weight, area, volume, etc. are qualitative observation. The tentative answer to a biological problem is called hypothesis. Which are the following are the characteristics of hypothesis? All of these is certain. Which one of the following is not a characteristic of hypothesis? It must be universal and correct. Deduction are made from hypothesis. Which one of the following is true about the statement of a hypothesis? All of them. Logical, possible of them. If all plant cells have nucleus then mesophyll. Is a plant cell? This statement is a deduction. The logical consequences of hypothesis called deduction. If all birds have wings, then pigeon is a bird. This statement is a deduction. Deductions help the biologist to do experiment. The most important step in solving biological problem is experiment. True hypothesis is accepted and false one rejected on the basis of experiment. The final step of biological problem is conclusion and reporting. Example of biological method: malaria. The word malaria is derived from 2 words. Malaria word is derived from Italian language. The word mala means bed. The word area means air. Malaria was known to physicians more than 2,000 years. In ancient time, the disease of chill and fever was malaria. In human history, which disease was more fatal, killing people? Malaria. The statement, what is the cause of malaria? Biological problem. In ancient time, the observation on malaria were both A and B. In ancient time, the malaria was more common in people living in low marshes. In 17th century, malaria was a major disease in Europe. The bark of which tree was very suitable in curing malaria in 17th century? Quina. The similar tree to quina was cinchona. It was found that the bark of cinchona contain a chemical quinine. The effective drugs against malaria in 17th to 20th century was quinine. Leverin was a French physician, who first noticed the microorganism in the blood of malarial patient. Leverin. The microorganisms in the blade of malarial patient were named as Plasmodium. After Levin work, the statement hypothesis. Levin was awarded by Nobel Prize for discover Plasmodium in the blade of malaria. If Plasmodium is the cause of malaria, then all patients of malaria should have Plasmodium in their blood. This statement is in deduction. In an experiment of 100 patients of malaria and 100 healthy persons, the patients group is experimental group. In an experiment of 200 patients of malaria and 200 healthy persons, the healthy persons group is control group. To compare experimental group, scientists use control group. After experiment, it was found that Plasmodium was found in the patient's blood, so the hypothesis Plasmodium is the cause of malaria is now correct. ये थे आज के हमारे 50 MCQs पार्ट चैप्टर 2 के। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल एस्पिरेंट स्टडी को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।